Hi, I'm Charlene, and as you can see, I have my thinning hair is all in this area, the crown of my head, and I've had this problem since high school, and I know a lot of women that suffer from this same problem, but I have this really great product, and I want to show you how it works. More direct, and I'm going to brush it a little bit, just because brushing it actually gives the fullness. The fibers actually move through the hair, and then it makes the magic happen. So maybe I'll spray a little more just in that area. Like I said, it's all in the crown area. There we go. Just brush it through now. And look at that. I mean, how amazing. A few sprays, a couple brush throughs, and I'm ready to go. So I'm just gonna do a final step, and I'm gonna put the sealer, the HairCubed sealer in control. It's a waterproof hairspray for the rest of the day, so my hair is just this look. I'm gonna have it totally waterproof when I go to the gym and I go in the pool. I don't have to worry about any problems. So it's very easy, same concept, just a few spray. Maybe just a little on the side just to lock it in there. And that's it. Look at that. It's amazing. I have the look and it's locked in and I'm good to go.